Hey everyone, welcome to day 13 of our journey. I'm so glad you are here. Today we are diving deep into a powerful practice that can truly transform how you deal with negative thoughts and turn those challenging emotions into a source of strength. You will experience negative thoughts like I'm not good enough, I always fail. So let's be honest, we will experience this kind of negative thoughts, right? That inner critic, those feelings of anxiety, sadness, or frustrations, they can feel overwhelming, right? They can drain our energy, impact our relationships, and even hold us back from our true potential. It's like carrying a heavy backpack everywhere you go. If there was a simple yet profoundly effective way to lighten that load, today I want to introduce you to Hooponopono, an ancient Hawaiian practice of reconciliations and forgiveness. It's not just about forgiving others, it's about taking 100% responsibility for everything in our experience and then cleansing it. Is incredibly simple, revolving around just four powerful phrases. And you can direct these phrases towards yourself, towards a situation, towards a feeling, whatever is causing you distress. First phrase is I am sorry. This isn't about guilt, it's an acknowledgement of something within you, a memory, a program, an energy that is contributing to the current situation or negative feeling. Phrase number two, please forgive me. This is a plea to the divine or to your higher self to cleanse or release this energy. Number three, thank you. This expresses gratitude for the opportunity to cleanse and for the healing that is taking place. And number four, the final phrase of Ho'oponopono is I love you. This is the ultimate healing force, connecting you to the divine love and acknowledging your inherent worth. So, how do we apply this transforming negative thoughts? Let's walk through it. Step number one. First, acknowledge the thought of feeling. Don't resist it, just notice it. For example, I am feeling really anxious about this presentation. Step two, take responsibility. Say to yourself, something within me is contributing to this anxiety. Remember, this isn't blame, it is empowerment. Okay? Step 3, begin the mantra silently or out loud if you are alone. Repeat, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And just keep repeating. That is your step 4. Keep repeating, continue for a few minutes or as long as you feel comfortable. You might direct it at the anxiety itself or the perceived cause of the anxiety. Step 5, after repetitions, you notice that the shift. You might not feel a monumental change immediately, but often you will feel a subtle shift, a softening, a sense of peace. This practice isn't about denying your pain or pretending everything is okay. It's about acknowledging it, taking responsibility for the energy within you that is attracting it, and then cleansing it with love, acceptance, and gratitude. So, when you do this, you stop feeding the negative cycle, you reclaim your power, you transform that pain into an opportunity for growth, for self love, and for deep inner peace. You're literally releasing the baggage and opening up space for positive, empowering thoughts to flourish. So, your challenge for day 13 is to incorporate Hooponopono into your daily routine. The next time a negative thoughts or feelings arises, try the four phrases. Even it is just for a minute, the more you practice, the more profound its effect will be. Keep a journal of your experiences. Notice how your thoughts begin to shift over the next few days. Remember, you have the power within you to transform your inner world. Ho'oponopono is a beautiful tool to help you do just that. Okay, so thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, please like this video. Okay, share it with someone who needs it and subscribe for more content. I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 14. Until then, take a good care of yourself and keep practicing Ho'oponopono.